I wanted to do a quick course walkthrough of what you will find right now inside Amuse Bouche. Amuse Bouche is our year-long mixed media adventure. And so once you've signed up, you will get a login and password for our website. You'll go to explore.collagelab.com and you'll click on the little person up in the right hand corner and log in. So I'm going to log in as a student. So give me just a second here. And once you're logged in, you'll see that your little icon in the corner. I'm going to My Courses, and then I'm going to click on Amuse Bouche. And this is what is inside Amuse Bouche right this minute. And each week there's a new lesson added. So here we go. There's a welcome supply list and a schedule. And you'll see by the schedule that every Monday throughout the entire year, a new project video and guide is released. And then where the stars are, once a month we get together and we share what we've created so far, and we ask questions and basically hold each other accountable. If you can't attend those live sessions, the replays are also here for you to watch. So then let's get into the projects. Each project, every single week throughout the entire year of 2026, each project has 4 different sections. There's a supply video where I actually show you what supplies I'm using, make suggestions for things that you might have, things that you might want to substitute, and you're always welcome to ask me questions as well. I encourage you to use what you have, but I do go through the supplies that I'm actually using in this lesson. The next section is a video lesson where I walk you through step by step how to use this technique, how to use these materials, whatever the lesson is related to. There's a step-by-step lesson, and then we have a guide, which is basically a printable you can download with the supply list and step-by-step how to complete the project. After the guide is, let me get over here again, is me actually using this technique from the lesson in a video where I create my own project. And so each lesson, each technique, each weekly adventure has these 4 parts. Some cool features I want to show you. So here are the lessons that are currently available as soon as you sign up, and then a new one every week. I did also, will be doing some encaustic wax, so I did include a bonus lesson from Collage Alphabet to get you started with encaustic. And so each week it's these same 4 things: the supplies, the lesson, the downloadable PDF guide, and then a video of me creating the project. And I talk through, some of the choices that I make as I'm creating. So that's basically what is inside of Amuse Bouche. I'm just going to give you a couple other little fun things that I love about this platform. If you are, looking for a project to fit into a short period of time, each of these projects, you can see how long the total videos for this project are. So this one's 37 minutes, 26 minutes. There's a short one here. So if you only have, a little bit of time to work on something, say a half hour, you can watch these videos in 10 minutes and then get started on your project. So each lesson, each project, you can get a sense of how long it's going to take you to watch the videos. Each of these videos Here's the supply video. Uh, let me let me pick a different one here. Um, each of these videos also has a transcript over here on the right hand side. You can click on course and go through, pick a project, pick a lesson, and then when you've got that video pulled up, click on transcript, and it's all broken down for you if you want to follow in the transcript or if you want to search the transcript. You can also take private notes. So if you are looking at a lesson and you need to order a certain supply and you want to come back to this lesson, you can add your private notes right here. Nobody else sees them, but when you return to this lesson, you see your private notes. You can also favorite different lessons, different videos maybe that you want to go back to, and you can also listen to all of the videos as a private podcast. So this is back on the course page right at the beginning. There's this private podcast. You can search. You can it'll keep track. If you only watch part of a video, you can go right back to where you stopped, right here at the top of the lesson. So you can jump right back in. And yeah, so those are some of the features inside of Amuse Bouche. If you have any questions at all, there is a little question mark here down in the bottom, and I'll just show you contact support team, which is me. I'm a one-person business, and just go ahead and do a little support request if you have any problems or any questions, or you can always email me, kelly@collagelab.com, and I would be happy to answer your questions. But we would love to see you inside Amuse Bouche. As of the middle of March 2026, when I'm recording this, we have 11 lessons so far, and a new one coming out each Monday through the end of 2026. So there's 41 more projects to come, and you have lifetime access, so you don't feel overwhelmed. You can go back to any of these whenever you would like to.